Want your Windows Start menu to feel a little more like your own? In this guide, I'll show you how to customize the Windows Start experience using OpenShell. We'll change the menu layout, adjust the look, choose useful shortcuts, and fine-tune search, so yeah, your Start menu is easier to use every day. First, open the OpenShell settings window. You can usually do this by right-clicking the Start button and choosing Settings. If you do not see it right away, open the Start menu, search for OpenShell menu settings, and launch it from there. On the Main tab, choose the layout you prefer. Classic Style gives you a compact, old-school menu. 2 columns adds quick links on the right. And Windows 7 Style gives you a familiar layout with pinned apps and built-in search. Pick one, then preview the change by opening the Start menu. Next, open the Skin tab. This is where you can change the overall appearance of the menu. Select a built-in skin, such as Windows Classic, Windows XP, Windows 7, Metro, or Aero. You can also adjust any extra options that appear below the skin selector. Now go to the Menu Items tab. Here, you can decide which shortcuts appear in your Start menu. For example, you might add Downloads, Documents, Control Panel Settings, or this PC. For items you rarely use, set them to Do Not Display to keep the menu clean. After that, check the search box in Control Settings. You can choose whether the search box is visible, control what OpenShell searches, and adjust how submenus open. If you prefer a faster, simpler menu, keep only the search options and behaviors you actually use. If you want an extra personal touch, open the Start button tab and choose a different button style, or use a custom image if you already have one. Before you finish, use the backup option to save your setup. That way, you can restore it later or move the same design to another computer, and that's it. Your Windows Start experience should now feel more organized, more familiar, and a lot more personal. Open the menu a few times, test your shortcuts, and make small adjustments until it feels right for you.